Gemini 3 Pro is Google's smartest AI model, and n8n is one of the easiest and most flexible automation platforms available today. But when you combine them, you unlock a level of workflow automation that most businesses are still completely unaware of. Together, Gemini 3 Pro and n8n can be used to build intelligent, decision-making AI workflows that would normally cost $10,000 to $20,000 if developed by an agency or custom engineering team. This integration allows you to create powerful AI agents with little to no code, automate image and document processing at scale, and design complex multi-step workflows in minutes instead of weeks. You can control advanced parameters like thinking depth, API behavior, and model configurations to fine-tune how your agents reason, respond, and act, giving you enterprise-level capability without enterprise-level complexity. With n8n acting as the automation backbone and Gemini 3 Pro serving as the intelligence layer, you can connect apps, trigger actions, analyze inputs, make decisions, and execute outcomes automatically across your entire tech stack. This setup is especially powerful for tasks like content generation, customer support automation, internal operations, lead qualification, data enrichment, and custom AI tooling that adapts based on context rather than following rigid rules. The real advantage is speed and leverage. Workflows that once required developers, product managers, and long build cycles can now be launched, tested, and optimized by solo builders, creators, and operators. To make this accessible, I've created a complete playbook that walks through the Gemini 3 Pro and n8n setup step by step, shows how to build real decision-making agents, and breaks down advanced configurations that almost nobody is talking about yet. Most people don't realize this combination exists, and even fewer understand how powerful it really is, which creates a short window of opportunity for those who learn it early. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and start building AI workflows that deliver real business value before everyone else catches on, comment Gemini, and I'll send you the full playbook for building advanced AI workflows with Gemini 3 Pro and n8n.